Welcome to another vlog. Today I got my little brother. Chinatown. We're going to Chinatown. So George, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna eat dumplings, I think. But I'm faster, so I don't think so. Stop looking at me.
But if you close your eyes,
We need to look for a bakery. I wonder where we could find a nice one.
Is that it? Let's speak
You didn't get the joke. So this whole restaurant's walls is covered in dollar signs. And dollars with like personalized messages on it. So, you know, we have to put our own, obviously. So we need to figure out where to put it.
Cover somebody's.
No.
So I think it's so cool how they have all this money up, and I'd love to put one. But I just checked my balance on Chase. How's it looking, you know? It's not too good. There's a negative in between.
Exiting the restaurant, you think of Impulsive traveling.
Shout out. This looks like Big Z. Right? Oh, sure.
Thank you.
Alright, let's try this. No, this is good. Wait, let me try this. That's possible.
You're the worst person to review food.
I don't know what to say.
So I got the shrimp with the fried rice. That's it. Fried rice looks smacking. Look how much they put. It's a lot of food. It's really good. Alright, I'm gonna eat it now. So I'll tell you guys what I think after.
Yo, this food is bomb. Mad good.
You guys are used to hear me speaking, so let's see what George thinks.
It was, I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty greasy. So it kind of like slowed me down a little bit. So I'm kind of lazy as hell right now. And my lips feel greasy as well. Yeah.
Alright, so to finish off that really, really good meal, we gotta get some dessert. So we found this little cart over here. They're like chilling in that tarp. Like, you can see them. It's really cozy and warm in there.
No, you don't.
So what they got like these little flavored balls. Not really sure what it is, but we'll try it out.
Hong Kong cakes.
Yep. So let's see. I'm excited. Let's check out how they do it. It's nice, it's warm, it's soft. We've got dark chocolate on top of it, all drizzled. Ready? That is smack. That is so good. That's so good. Look at it.
piece.
It is so good.
It's good.
It's warm too.
After finishing our dessert, we explored Chinatown. Chinatown is great for food and shopping, especially if you're good at haggling.
What's up, guys? We just got back home. It's been a great day. We had a lot to eat, a lot of food, a lot of dessert. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to go subscribe. Alright, that's good. Make sure you check out all our videos, share our videos, and if you're not following us, follow us on social media. Till next time.